Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today we talk basically on PhD study in Germany based on the type of course you want to study in. If you are looking to study for a PhD in Germany and you have a master's already, an international master's, this video is for you. In this website you are able to find PhDs across all disciplines, and you can also study PhD based on the discipline that has been provided. This website is very popular. This is the DAAD website, where you can change the language to German or English based on what you want. If you want this website, basically Google PhD Germany and then you find it. So when you come to this website and you scroll downstairs or down, you realize that there's this box that shows the search term. The box that shows the search term is where you search based on the type of course you want to do or the PhD you are looking for. Currently, there are 55 PhD programs that has been published on this website. And mind you, almost all PhD positions that are available in Germany are published on this website, because this is a central website where you have to publish your PhD position. So be sure that when you find a PhD here, it really is genuine. If you come to this website, one thing you can do is filter it based on the subject you are looking for, based on the working language. Some are in German, some are in English, so which one you want, based on the type of funding, based on the location, which states or which university you want to study in, and there are also more filters. I think the most important filter is the subject. So if you are looking for a PhD in different areas, biochemistry, mathematics, agriculture, this is where you can get it. The working language, yes, you can filter that, but I tell you that most of PhDs in Germany now are offered in English, so English is something that you can always rely on. The funding and support is something you should read about, because some are scholarship and some are projects. I should also add that most PhDs that I have come across in Germany, or most PhDs in Germany, are project based, which are funded by the research institutions. So these are project based, and we'll look at the details and now I'll explain what they mean. And also the location, if you want to study in the north, the south, the east, the west, or which type of university you want to study in, this is where you can filter it. So let's go. Currently we have 55 and they are all listed here. You can go through to see which one you want. So if I want to filter it, I can go to the subject, and if I go to the subject, we have the agriculture and food sciences, we have arts, music, design, we have economics, we have engineering, humanities, and all other, and the number of positions currently available are beside them. So let's say we want to look at economics and law. If we filter to economics and law, or we only filter it to only economics and remove law, and we press OK. So currently there are 3 PhD programs that are under economic sciences. So interestingly, if you open here, this is an institution in Germany that have 9 PhD positions at the institution currently. So they are hiring 9 positions, and you can see the working language is German and English. And so they want you to be able to speak German and English as well. The deadline for applying is 15th September, and they want you to begin by the 1st of April 2025, and this is based in Berlin. So if you are interested in this, you click on it. We can also go down here. So if you see, this is Technical University of Munich, this is in the south. This chair has a PhD in economics of technology in agriculture and food supply, and this is also in German and English, and this is in Freisen. So let's say we are interested in this one. We open this position. So if we open the position, you can see the position is here. The working language is in English and German, and the application deadline is 20th September. Now if you look at how many positions are there, there's 1 position. It's a 4-year contract, and it's financed. There's a full PhD. Working language is displayed. What is required? They need your diploma or a master's. and the area is economic sciences, economics and agricultural sciences. What is the description? They describe that there's an initial appointment of 2 years with the possibility of extension. The salary is accordance with the German state regulated public salary scale. This is very important. So if you see this TVL in any position, either it's E13, but immediately you see the TVL, you should know that this is more like a job. So in Germany, most of their PhDs they employ you as an employee. So in this case, you are paid by the state, and so with your salary, your pension is paid, your health insurance is partly paid, and all that. And at the end, you receive a salary. So this is not a scholarship; it's more like you are employed as an employee or a researcher in the institute. And if you see this 2/3, it means that you are not on a full-time contract. You are on a 60 or 65% contract. So instead of 40 hours, you only work about 26 hours per week. Now, if you read down the description, they tell you all the details they are looking for, what qualification you must have. So this, and then they said excellent spoken and written English. So the English is the priority, and then they will say you also will acquire some certain level of this thing, German. So in that case, when you are employed, they will teach you some German in the institution for you to be able to. Now, how do you apply? If you are looking to this position and you want to apply, so they say you should send your cover letter that explains how this fits with your experience and goals, your CV, list of references, copy of key documents, that is your transcript, your degree certificate, all put in one single PDF, and you email it to this professor. If you email it by 20th, then your application will be considered. If you want to know further information, you can email this people and they will reply. Please stick to the deadline, and also remember this is a single PDF, so you have to combine everything into a single PDF. Don't send it individually, because if you send it individually, you may not review it. So these are the main things: your motivation letter, your CV, your certificate, and transcripts. If you want to see the official advertisement, this is the link, and you will see what they actually mean. So this is how you apply. You just go straight, you apply, and then luckily you can be picked. So all the details are here. So if we are not interested in this, we can go back to see other programs. There's also a program in that same university. We can also go back to the subject area and check this one, and check this, and then maybe go to maybe languages and culture. Then we press OK. So if we go to language, we have 6 positions. Interestingly, in the University of Hildesheim, they are employing 10 PhDs or research assistant jobs for aesthetic practice. So that is but however, it is purely in German. So if you are applying without the German language proficiency, then you cannot take this position. But if you go down here, we have PhD scholarship in understanding writing artifacts, which is fully in English, and you can check that out. And this is in Hamburg, University of Hamburg. There's this also in Berlin. This is also a position in landscape archaeology and architecture, ancient languages, in other subjects. So you can filter. So what is important is to filter the positions here, so that you can see which one you are looking for. So that is all about this website. It's pretty practical. Remember, all the positions are updated, and so you must always check it repeatedly to get the position that you are interested in. So before we continue, this is my channel. I post about study abroad, scholarship opportunities, and more. And I have other videos that tell you about fully funded scholarships in the US, Netherlands, Germany, and other parts of the world. So please check it out. If you are new here, consider subscribing. And then if you have been here, thank you very much. If you watch the video and you have any questions, you are permitted to comment the question under the video, and then let me know which countries you are interested in, so that I can make videos on that. Okay, let's continue. So aside the PhD Germany, there is also this association called the Leibniz Association, which is an association that connects 96 independent research institutions in Germany. So there are 96 institutions that are not universities that focus in natural, engineering, environmental sciences to economics and social sciences. So they have so many subjects that they do research in, and they also employ a lot of PhDs. So for me, I am in one of those institutions, in one of the Leibniz institutions, which I'm doing my PhD currently there. So this is a place where you can also find PhDs. So if you come to their website, if you are looking for them, you just type Leibniz Association, then you come to their website. If you want to know where the PhDs are, you go to jobs. So like I said, PhDs in Germany mostly are seen as jobs, because you are employed by the state, you are employed as a researcher, and then you are paid by the state. So this is very important to know. So if you go to the job section, then you can realize that there is also a way to search for this one. So you can put your keyword you are looking for, but you can search based on the state, the discipline, the institution, and the job type you are looking for. So for example, if I go down to discipline, maybe I go to chemistry, I want to do a PhD in chemistry. So if I click chemistry, then I go to job type. What do I look for? I'm looking for scientific posts, or you are looking for to be a young researcher. So that's master's, doctorate, postdoc. So if I click on that, then I search. So when I search, I go down, I realize that currently there are no positions for biology or chemistry. I can go back and look for maybe engineering, and then I search for engineering. You realize that there's currently none. But if I go to maybe agriculture sciences, then I search, you see that there are currently positions for agriculture sciences. So if you see research assistant, it also doubles as a PhD. Like I said, in Germany, you are employed as a research assistant or a researcher. So that's why sometimes they don't put the PhD there fully, but you have the opportunity to do the PhD as well. So here it is spelled PhD student in the field of root anatomy and physiology. We have PhD student model-based climate monitoring and control. So if you open one of them, and these are in various institutions. So you see the Leibniz Institution, Institute for Agriculture, Engineering, and Bioeconomics. So you have a doctoral position. So if you open this one, then you can read all the details that are there, all the your responsibilities, your qualification, what they offer. And here you see they put a TVL there, which is also important, indicating that you are paid by the state. And this is the person hiring. So if you want information, you can write them. However, if you want to apply, this website, they have a central system where you can apply. So you apply by September 8th. Which is already coming up with all the information, cover letter, CV, and all the usual documents. And then they put out that the job interviews will take place between 16th September and 25th September and all that. So if you are interested in applying, you click on here, you click here, and then it will take you to their online system for you to apply. So that is how to get PhDs for this. And remember, these websites keep on updating, so please always check them out, and then you are lucky to get a PhD position. Okay, so if you are watching this video, I want you to comment in the comment section where you are watching from, which country you are watching from, and also which country you would want me to do a video on.